Here's your key back.
Thank you.
As soon as I have the place set up, I'm gonna have you guys over.
Oh, we would love that.
I really can't thank you enough for taking me in. You know, I was at a pretty low place in my life.
Oh, Amy, you naughty vixen.
Anyway, as I was saying, I was at a pretty low place in my life, and if it wasn't for friends like you...
My goodness, that form of stimulation is highly efficient.
I can't compete with that. Bye.
Should we give them their privacy?
I want to, but I don't think I can.
Whoopee!
Okay, I'm good now.